Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today worksheet number 10, division sums. Main question 2. Solve the following in your notebook and write the division equation. This is your main question. So first one I will tell you, see 360 divided by 32. Now what you have to do, you should write the like this 32 divided by 360. Now what you have to do, you don't know 32 table. So what you have to do, you should see 3 table here first. So 3 in 3 which in 3 table 3 will come, 3 ones are 3, no? So what you have to do, you should see 32 ones are, 32 ones are will come 32 itself. So 32 is smaller than 36, no? So you should divide by 36 ones are 32. Sorry, 32 ones are 32. When you minus 36 minus 32, your answer will come 4. So now you should check 0 downside. Now again in 3 table, again you should check 3 table. No, you should not check 32 table because you don't know 32 table. This is easy method. So you should again check 3 table. In 3 table, 4 will not come. So 4 less than 4, what will come in 3 table? 3 ones are 3 again. So again 32 ones are 32. When you minus, your remainder is 8. So quotient equal to 11, remainder equal to 8. Understood? One more sum I will tell you. See 300 and this is C sum. I will tell you B sums here. 312 divided by 51. Now what we have to do, you should check 5 table. In 5 table 31 will come? No. Less than 31 which will come? 5, 6 are 30. Okay. So 51, 6 you should do. First you have to check 5 table. In 5 table 31 will come or not, you should check. It will not come. So 5, 6 are 30 will come. So 51 again you should write here 51, 6 are 6 ones are 6, 5, 6 are 30. So your answer is 306. Now what you have to do, 51, 6 are 306. When you minus 312 minus 306, your answer will come 6. So quotient is 6 and remainder is 6. Next C sum I will tell you. 396 divided by 47. So again you should check 4 table here. In 4 table 39 will come or not, you should check. So what you have to do, 4 nines are 36 will come. But 47 nines will come more. So what you have to do, 4 eights you have to check. So 4 eights means what you have to do, 47 eights. When you multiply 47 eights, your answer is 736. This is less than our dividend. So what you have to do, 47 eights are 376. When you minus this, your remainder is 20. So quotient is 8 and remainder is 20. Now D sum I will tell you. 428 divided by 33. Now again what you have to do, you should check 3 table here. So less than 4, 3 will come. So 33 ones are 33. When you minus 42 minus 33, your answer is 9. So you should take down sign 8. So 98 it will come. So 98 less than 98 which will come in 33 table, you should see. 33 twos will come 66. 33 threes will come 99. So what we have to do, you should do 33 twos. So 66. When you minus 98 minus 66, your answer is 32. So quotient is 12 and remainder is 12. Okay. Next. Again 596 divided by 49. Again what you have to do, you should check 4 table here. So 4, 5 is there. 5 less than 5 it will come, 4 will come. So 49 ones are 49 you have to do. 9 minus 9 0, 5 minus 1 1. So you should take 6 downside. So 49 2s you should check. Because here it is 10. So more than 10 which will come in 4 table, 8 will come. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 12 will not come, so 4 2s are 8. So 42 2s you have to do. How much will come? 98. So when you minus 98, your remainder is 8. So quotient is 12 and remainder is 8. Now main question 3. Main question 3, what is there? You are, see here, this table they have given you. For this table what you have to do, I will tell you. See, first sum they have done for you. Second sum I will tell you. Same. Again you have to multiply by, see 19 divided by 377. Not multiply, division. 19 divided by 377. Now what you have to do? Again same. You should do, 19 table. You have to perfectly practice till 20 tables. So 19 ones are 19. So when you minus 18 will come, you should take 7 downside. So 19 nines are 171. Your remainder is 16. Now equation you have to write. What equation you have to write? 377 equal to 19. See here, quotient is 19 and again divisor is 19. So 19 into 19 plus 16. When you multiply and plus this number, your answer will come 377. Like this you have to complete this table. Okay, this both complete you have to complete in your notebook. This is your work. Please practice all the sums. This will come in your upcoming exams.